How to copy LinkedIn profile link. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can get LinkedIn profile URL on your iPhone or Android. Now if you're using an iOS device or iPhone, either way the procedure is gonna be same. So make sure to stick with us till the end and go ahead and log into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged into your LinkedIn account, it's going to take you to the home page. From the top left hand side corner, click on the profile icon. So after that, go to your profile or just tap on view profile. Once you've done that, it's going to direct you to the profile page. Here you can see there are different options. So right in center you can see open to and add session, and right in the corner you have this three dot icon. Tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, right at the bottom you can see two different options. So you can either share your profile on messages, or you can either share your profile through different platform. Now first of all, if I just tap on share profile via message, then it's going to take message page. Now type in the name or the multiple names of the contact to whom you actually want to share your LinkedIn profile. Now for example, I'm just going to go with any of these. Just type in their name, click on the arrow icon, and as you can see that the link has been. And the other way to share your profile is that tap on share profile by, and after that select the platform where you actually want to share the profile. You can see you can either do it on Facebook, Messenger, Instagram and all that, WhatsApp. Just open up the chat page and select the contact whom you actually want to share. Now tap on the arrow icon right over here and click on the arrow icon. As you can see, this is the particular. In this way you can get a LinkedIn profile URL. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.